Now, here's the question, no? Medyo nag-trending ka nung before the fight eh. Natanong na kita agad diretso na, no,
Mhm.
sabi ng mga fans, Sir, si JM medyo parang diskumpiyado yata sa edad. Especially when you mentioned about, wag niyong, how do I phrase this? Pag medyo nabubugbog na si Manny, wag kayong mahiyang magtapon ng tuwalya.
Mhm.
Now,
Mhm.
after seeing Manny, JM, against Barrios, no, it's not the best Manny that we know, but he lasted for 12 rounds
12 rounds.
and went to a draw against a young prime fighter. Do you still feel the same way about Manny?
Feel what na wait,
Na
ano ba
medyo
yung
ano sa
feeling?
edad? Sa edad lang
Look,
naman.
he looked good, but he looked good for a 46-year-old fighter. Wag naman na tayo magbulahan
Mm,
dito. Of course, it's not the
okay.
same Manny Pacquiao, okay? For someone who hasn't fought in 4 years, someone who is 46 years old na talaga namang ang dami ng pinagdaanan na laban, he looked good. And I would have to agree with with Attorney Ed. There's a reason why they chose Mario Barrios, 'di ba?
Mhm.